This is YouTube Joseph WMA again. Yes, sir. Let's begin. So before we begin, I'm warning you, YouTube, and if you give me a copyright strike or anything, or a copyright request to take it down, or if in any of these videos, I will take you to court and sue you. And then also, alright, so this is the final regular episode of the Insectaland special. So here we are in the, so here's some of the animals I inhabit here. These are the small mammals and birds. There's the Insectaland Island's giant, well, not giant, the Insectaland Island's bat, which is like 6 to 9, it has a 6 to 9 inch wingspan and is about 3 to 9 inches tall and weighs like 14 to like 25 ounces, and then it swoops down and eats. Well, it doesn't eat. It eats insects. It doesn't eat the other animal I'm showing you. It just eats small insects. But the bigger insects eat it. And then there's the Insectaland Island's giant. Oh, not giant. The Insectaland Island's rat, which is like 5 to 8 inches long and weighs like 15 ounces. And then this animal, the Insectaland Island's mice, weighs about 16 to 18 ounces and is like 10 it's like 10 inches long, and then there's all the mammals now, the birds. Here's the Insectaland Island's the Insectaland Island pigeon is the size of same size and weight as a rock pigeon. And then there's the Insectaland Island's Insectaland Island's quail, which is the same, which is about 12 to 14 inches long and 15 inches high and weighs like 10 pounds. And then it's like and then there's I know I didn't put, oh, I did kind of. Here's the Insectaland Island's duck, which is like the same, which is about, no, it's more like 38 inches long. Oh no, that's like it's a little over 3 feet long and then 3 feet high and weighs like and then weighs like 30 to 50 pounds. Then there's lastly the goose. Insectaland Island's goose weighs like the same. No, it doesn't. It weighs the same size and weight as the same size and weight as a Canada goose. Alright. Thank you for watching. That's the end of this. I'm going to be back with a special special feature. So, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, bye bye.